Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing a proof video on our rental package. We get a lot of questions about our rental package. Is it really a 700 score? Why is it so cheap? And how you guys do that? Well, we have 10 of these packages every month. 10 rental packages. We do a tri-merge CPN with a trade line. There's a Capital One. You have here one account here, Capital One. $300 limit. It's about a year old. Authorized user. It's enough to give about a 700 score. Again, this is enough usually for apartment and a lot of times a house as well. It's one of our flagship products. $495. It is going up, by the way, in 2 weeks to $550, which is still a bargain. You get a 700 score. Tri-merge CPN. We set up your EXPERIAN credit monitoring free of charge. We also give you a builder manual. You can build upon this product. You can build upon this profile later on to get credit cards and things. You do also get unlimited phone support. We're with you to help you, to support you in building up that profile should you want to do so later on. But if you just want to get an apartment or house, this is perfect. Getting a great score. Tri-merge CPN to all 3 credit bureaus. For more information, call us. My name is Cameron, 202-213-2218. Or look at our website at rentfast.org, rentfast.org for more information. Thank you. Have a great day.